Welcome back, One Hot Biters. Melissa here. We are making a pork noodle bowl today. So you can have this in the summer, you can have it in the winter. Everyone loves Asian inspired noodle bowls. So that's what we're gonna make today. This one comes together super fast. This is a 20-minute or less, if you're rocking 15, noodle bowl, and you can have it for lunch or dinner, whatever you prefer. We're coming in at 400 calories on this one. So this is actually a great protein-packed, carbohydrate-packed meal. So it's nice and filling. We got some awesome veggies in here that are super fresh. But the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get our noodles cooking. Today, I'm just using linguine. So nothing fancy. Rice noodles work in this recipe as well. But I'm just gonna use linguine noodles. So let's get those cooking. While you guys are enjoying as I'm rushing around the kitchen, why don't you go ahead and subscribe down below if you haven't already done so. Give me some likes and comments, and let's get cooking. Okay, we're gonna saute the pork, the mushrooms, and the grated onion for about 10 minutes. You wanna break up your pork so it's still in kind of chunks so it's not completely crumbled. So that's what we're doing now. Okay, now we're gonna add our white miso, our beef broth, our chili paste, our garlic chili paste, and our matchstick carrots. We're gonna get about 2 ounces of noodles. So here is 2 ounces of noodles and 1 cup of our pork mixture. Top it with some green onions, a drizzle of soy sauce. Bon appetit! And there you have it, another hot bite, 400 calories, a big steaming bowl of deliciousness. I mean, you guys saw this. And now I'm gonna see if I can scoop up a delicious bite of everything. I'm gonna get a little of the pork, a little of the noodles, a mushroom. It's very hot. And there comes the heat. Really garlicky, but the good kind. The pork adds that nice meat. The noodles are perfect. You got your crunchier carrots. And honestly, if you really like it spicy, you can add a little bit more of that garlic chili paste to it. But I'm thinking this is pretty perfect, and this is a nice hot bite. And I will see you on Monday. We're gonna have cocktail hour, because why not? It's still summer, and we're gonna make grapefruit gin and tonics. So you're not gonna wanna miss that. Again, fresh fruit and deliciousness, but we're gonna enjoy ourselves. So you guys have a great week, a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday.